Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to install Windows Server 2025 on Proxmox. Before we start, you need to download Windows Server 2025 and Windows VirtIO Drivers. I will provide the download link for Windows VirtIO Drivers in the description. You can download the evaluation version of Windows Server 2025 from Microsoft's official website for testing purposes. Now, let's start with Proxmox. Open a web browser and access the Proxmox VE web interface. If you need to know how to download and install Proxmox, check out my previous video or the card above. Log in to the Proxmox VE web interface. You will see the Data Center view and Host view. Clicking on Data Center shows an overview. Since this is a brand new server, we have one host and no VMs. You can also see resource utilization and subscription details. Click on Proxmox 1 to see host-related details and utilization graphs. You can access the host CLI by clicking on the console. Next, we need to upload the ISO files to Proxmox storage. Expand the host dropdown and select Local Storage. Click on the ISO Images tab. You have two options. Download the ISO directly using the Download from URL tab or manually upload already downloaded ISOs. Since we have already downloaded Windows Server 2025 and VirtIO Drivers, click on Upload, select Windows Server 2025 ISO, and upload it. Wait for the upload to complete. Then repeat the process for VirtIO Drivers ISO. Now, let's create a virtual machine. Right-click on the host and select Create VM. Alternatively, you can click Create VM in the top right corner. In the General tab, select the node. We have only one node. Set the VM ID. Default is 100 and you can change if needed. Enter a VM name. And click Next. In the OS tab, select the uploaded Windows Server 2025 ISO. Set guest OS type to Windows and version to 2025. Tick Add additional driver. Select the uploaded VirtIO Drivers ISO, and click Next. In the System tab, keep BIOS mode as default and set TPM storage to local. In the Disk tab, set bus device to VirtIO block. Set disk size to 50 GB. Set cache type to write back. And click Next. In the CPU tab, set cores to 2. Set type to host, and click Next. In the Memory tab, keep the default memory size or adjust as needed, then click Next. In the Network tab, no changes are needed, so click Next. In the Confirm tab, review the configuration and click Finish. Now, we will install Windows Server 2025. Power on the VM using the Start Now button in the VM console or the Start button in the top right corner. Select Language, Time, and Country Format, then click Next. Select Keyboard, Input Method, then click Next. Choose the Windows Server installation type. I'm selecting Windows Server 2025 Standard with desktop experience and clicking Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Select the installation location. Click Load Driver to access the storage device. Click Browse. Navigate to the VirtIO Drivers ISO. Open the 2K22 folder under AMD64, and click OK. Select the SCSI controller and install the driver. Once the installation is complete, the 50 GB disk should be visible. Select the disk and click Next. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Set an administrator password and click Finish. Now, let's configure Windows Server and install VirtIO Drivers. Click the small arrow on the left side and send the Ctrl-Alt-Delete command. Enter the administrator password to log in. On the Send Diagnostic Data page, select Required Only and click Accept. Open File Explorer and locate the VirtIO Drivers ISO. Double-click the ISO and run VirtIO Guest Tools. Accept the license agreement and install with default settings. For finalizing the VM setup, power down the server. Go to the Hardware tab. Remove the second DVD drive and unmount images from the first DVD drive. Power on the Windows Server 2025 VM, and you can now access the server without any issues. That's it. We have successfully installed Windows Server 2025 on Proxmox. See you in the next video.